So in today's lab, we're going to do calorimetry, and we're actually going to measure the specific heat or heat capacity of a metal, of an unknown metal. So everybody has a different unknown metal. We're going to weigh it. Then once we weigh it, I'm going to put it inside this test tube. So I've already weighed this ahead of time. And then I'm going to put this in a water bath. Be a little bit careful when you're doing this. This iron ring does get hot, or this ring gets hot. So put it in there. You're going to have to adjust it until it's submerged in the water. The water bath is filled about halfway full. That's about good. A couple things when you're doing this. Once the water begins to boil, you wait 10 minutes. So you want to keep that metal in that boiling water for 10 minutes so that the temperature of that metal is going to be about the same temperature of boiling water. So it should be around 100 degrees Celsius. In the meantime, we have a calorimeter. A calorimeter is just an insulating device. In fact, this is how the word calories come from, because we use a calorimeter to measure, actually can measure the change in temperature. Calorimeters, the real good ones, are almost perfect insulating devices, so you don't lose heat to the atmosphere. This one, it's a bit cheap, so it loses heat to the atmosphere over time. Now, inside this calorimeter, what you're going to do is add water. So I add about 20 grams of water, and then you weigh that directly. I put my thermometer in there. The temperature of water is about room temperature. It's about 20, 22 degrees Celsius. That metal, once it starts to boil, it's going to be about 100 degrees Celsius. And so what I'm going to do is grab that metal after it's been in boiling water for 10 minutes and transfer it into the calorimeter. So now the reaction's been boiling for 10 minutes. So when you grab it at the ring stand, otherwise you're going to burn yourself. Take off your calorimeter cover and do this part a bit quickly. So take it off, be gentle when you're doing it. And what you want to do is just add it to your calorimeter. Close it up as quickly as you can. And the temperature is going to begin to rise. So the heat lost by the metal is the heat gained by the water. And then record the highest temperature that you got. And again, it goes to a high temperature and then it drops because it loses heat to the environment. And record that high temperature and then you're done.